Hey everyone, it's Wang again from Source Graphics. Today, I want to introduce you guys the all-new Formlabs Fuse 1. Now, this printer was announced a few years ago, but I'm happy to say that the wait is finally over. Once we found out that we could get our hands on a high-quality SLS 3D printer at this price point, we had our reservations. But once we started using the Fuse 1, and we got consistent, high-quality parts time and time again, the team at Formlabs hit a home run with the Fuse 1. Now here's a closer look at the Formlabs Fuse 1. The Fuse 1 is an SLS printer that uses a fiber laser, allowing you to pack as many parts as you can in a build chamber. You're able to print intricate parts without supports accurately. With a layer height of 110 microns and using nylon 12 powder, you can create prototypes and end-use parts easily. The Fuse 1 has a sizable build volume of 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches by 11.8 inches. The Fuse Sift powder recovery station completes the workflow. The sift keeps powder contained and makes it simple to clean parts and recycle powder. Load the build chamber directly from the Fuse 1 to Fuse Sift for a contained, efficient workflow. The Fuse Sift sifts powder using a sieve to be recycled. With the Fuse Sift, you get a material refresh rate of about 30%. Using 30% new material and 70% recycled material, this brings the cost per part down. Formlabs Nylon 12 has impressive mechanical properties. Nylon 12 is stiff, strong, tough, stable, and safe. We're excited to have the Fuse 1 and Fuse Sift in our showroom. Give us a call or visit sourcegraphics.com to schedule a virtual or in-person demo, or to request a sample part. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates and videos on the latest 3D printing and scanning technology.